Hey everyone, welcome to the weekly wrap up, a teeny tiny little show I've created to share my personal top 5 tweets from the last week. Why? Well, because Twitter for me has been a gold mine in terms of educator tips, hacks, and info. And it's been my personal learning network. You may not have one, so please allow me to be that for you. And because social media isn't for everybody, and frankly, you're just super busy. So I'll do the work for you. And let's get to it with this week's top 5. So first up is a lifesaver for educators who spend their weekends planning for and dreading Mondays. Instead of following a traditional Monday to Friday week, Nicholas Emmanuel runs his weeks from Tuesday to Monday. This allows him to use Monday to plan and to use both his time and that of his students a little more productively. Really brilliantly simple in its execution and kind of like, smack my head. Why didn't I think of that? So thank you, Nicholas, for sharing. Did you know that after one day of instruction, students forget about 46% of the information presented? Yes, I said 46%. So Irina McGrath and her colleague, Michelle Shorey, tweeted out a very easy and genuinely useful infographic about retention strategies. And not only that, they've included links in the infographic and in the tweet itself so that you can access this infographic and the research and the strategies and the how-tos. So make sure you check that out. As Abid Patel from across the pond, terrible English accent, tells us, Google Docs now has the ability to insert watermarks. And if you check out this tweet, Abid has a quick GIF in there. It shows you how to do just that. We have been waiting for this feature for a while, so thank you, Google, and thank you, Abid. I cannot say enough about this next tweet. Mrs. Tai Papa, I hope I pronounced that correctly, and her colleagues made math tutorial videos using Flipgrid and then shared them via QR code for students to take home and study. I've always said, since homework goes home to unequal homes, it makes perfect sense to have these videos available for students and parents via the study guide or on your class website. I say, why not go one better and assign the peer tutors in your class the task of making short tutorial videos? Why not? Understanding the emotional needs of our students is now more important than ever. Teacher to Teacher shares an idea from an SEL educator that offers a less techy but still super reflective way to promote student wellness. It's called TGIF, and on Fridays, students take a pulse check and share their trust, gratitude, inspirational, and fun moments of the week. What a cool way to build community and to bond with your kiddos. And that's it for this week, the top 5 finds on Twitter. I hope you find them useful for your teacher life. Links from today's show are right below. Feel free to share this video with your colleagues, your teacher-based teams, faculty meetings, whatever. And if you do need anything, please do not hesitate to reach out for coaching, questions, suggestions. I'm Stephanie DeMichael, learning designer and instructional coach with the Educational Service Center of Northeast Ohio. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week.